Alrighty, so today we're doing the Insulin Elisa. This is an Outco high sensitivity Insulin Elisa capable of measuring, I think, 0.12 to 20 nanomolecular IU per something, mumble.
Milli-IU per ml.
Milli-IU per ml, yes. Anyways, yeah. So basically it's kind of a nifty device. You've got this plate here, which is coated with various immuno things. And then basically you have a series of control samples here, which are, well, they're not control samples. These are standards, so they are calibrated to certain values. And then we can, basically, you run these in some of these wells here, and it allows you to calculate like a regression curve for the concentration. And then for each of the samples, you'll be able to plot them based upon the absorbance. So this is the microplate here, and then we put this bad boy into this plate reader here, which then, using the joyous RS-232 protocol, ends up on our computer here. Somehow. Yeah, so this is where we'll be doing the plate reading. So yeah, basically we just have to pipette 1 million samples into here. We've got something like 44 samples to run in the fridge next to the carbonated water. And of course we have our lab coats. Nathan's looking swell. This is our control sample, yes.
Need to make sure that there's no solids left in here before we let it sit for 30 minutes. Nearly done.
Cool. Alrighty, so we take the sample and we pipette little bits of it into these little holes here. Detection antibody in, and now we just go ahead and seal this bad boy up with this plate sealer. It should be good to incubate and shake.
That seems fine.
And you can see here, this is the finished microplate. So basically what you do here is, once you've mixed all the liquid in, you can take this over to the plate reader and insert it in that hole there. And the plate reader will convert that into values that you can then use to plot a regression. So you look here, we've got the controls along the side. That's 0, 0.15 all the way up to, I believe this is 20, which is the maximum of the kit, and then this is a control of, I think, 6.8. And then so you can see all of other samples. Most of them are run in duplicate here, so it'll be the same sample in both left and right as you walk down here. And then a couple of them are different. And so this is the Fogo Experiment, starting with fasted there. That's me. And then we have 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, I think 5 hour. So yeah, it's kind of cool. So just to quickly show you how we finish this up. So this over here are the absorption values, the transmission from each of the wells in the microplate. And so all of our standards are up here. We just average these two as we go down, and we can see the absorption values here. And then we use this to calculate a regression. So plot these and then get our trend line. As you can see, we used a quadratic regression there. R squared is 1. That's what she looks like. And if we do the backwards calculation, we're pretty close here to the originals. So the 0 ended up being minus 0.4. But we can take that regression function and plot that back against all of our different samples and get all the data out. So if you see down here, we have all the different runs of the experiment we did. This was the one from me yesterday, and also the one from August that we did, and we have all of us stacked here, and we can take that and plot that here to get our nice little graph.